Good morning, students. So this is a quick tutorial to teach you how to record your presentation for your oral assessment. Okay, so this is your phone. So first of all, you need to find your screen recorder. Mine is Insight Tool and is actually called Screen Recorder. As you can see here, you can see all of the videos that I have recorded. Now I am already recording. So what do you need to do? You need to go back and find your Google presentation. So if you use slides, then you open your slides and here you can choose your presentation. So for example, fourth and final task, because remember you still have to do this. Okay, so you open your presentation and then you present it. So present on this device. At this point, you're recording your presentation. So this was my portfolio. It was to create your personal English notebook. Please remember that you still have to do this task. You need to collect all of the works that you've done with me. Here you have your instructions. And as you can see here, you have a full list of tasks that we've done this year. So remember to include a couple of introductory slides for each topics, which best describe the subject matter. And then please, you can post all of your tasks. So banqueting and menus, the summaries that you did for the Victorian summary, the VD presentations that we also did for the Victorian dinner, so the menu, our Emilia Romagna project, our Italian food and wine tour, and your personal presentation that you will record in this video, which is called Food and Religion. So it is very simple. You just need to record your screen like I have done. You just need to tap your screen to continue and move on with your slides and basically describe your religion and describe what you found, your presentation, and so that's all that you need to do. So this is the last thing from me. So goodbye and see you soon from your English teacher. It's been a pleasure and an honor teaching you this year, and I hope you despite the coronavirus, you've enjoyed this year with me. Good luck for next year. I'm not good at goodbyes, but if you want to have a little bit of fun, you can play this song by selecting goodbyes, and that will take you to another website where you can play a song and learn English with music. So thank you very much from now, and goodbye.